It's the question that stops every maker at the market table. What should I charge for this? You pour days into it, and somehow the price still feels like a guess. The Knitting and Crochet Workbook is built to answer that question and to run the rest of the business behind your yarn, so the making stays joyful and the numbers finally make sense. It's one working spreadsheet with 4 built-in calculators, plus 5 printable guides. Together they cover the whole business side: how much yarn to buy, how to get gauge, what's already in your stash, and what your work truly costs to make. Start with how much yarn to buy. Type in a project's yardage and the yards on the ball band, and the workbook tells you how many balls to get, rounded up with 1 extra for the dye lot you can never match once the shop sells out. A full weight reference takes the guesswork out of choosing yarn, from lace all the way to jumbo, each one with its knit and crochet gauge, and the needle and hook sizes that get you there. Gauge is what decides whether it fits. Enter the gauge from your blocked swatch and the size you want, and the calculator gives you the exact stitches to cast on, and the rows to work, for any size, with the ease built in. Your stash becomes something you can actually shop, track every yarn by weight, color, and dye lot, and the workbook totals your yardage for you and quietly flags the staples before you run low. Then the part that changes everything. Here is the hard truth. The yarn is the cheap part, and the hours are the cost, and the hours are exactly what most makers leave out. This workbook puts them back in. It gives you a true cost per piece, with your time counted at a fair rate. And when that honest cost comes out higher than the market price, that isn't bad news. It's the most useful thing the numbers can tell you. Now you can choose on purpose, make faster pieces, sell the ones a machine can't copy, and price for your hands instead of working for free without knowing it. A care and blocking guide keeps your finished pieces looking handmade, not homemade, with the right wash for every fiber and simple fixes for the problems every maker meets, from a piece that ran short to edges that curl. And a set of printable logs keeps your studio's memory, the yarn, the gauge, the size, and the honest hours, so every project teaches the next one. It's an instant download from Ardent Workshop, evergreen, and yours to keep. Buy the right amount, get gauge, and finally price your work like it's worth what it is.